What's up guys, Mr. DS18 back with more product reviews. Today I'm going to show you guys some amp kits. We got the AKIT in 4 different cool colors. We got red, we got green, we got blue, and we got purple. I did open up the purple one. I couldn't help myself. I wanted to see the quality of these stuffs, and they're pretty amazing. So the red one comes with the red RCA, the green one comes with the green RCA, green power wire. It comes with blue remote, black ground wire, so does the red one. The blue one comes with blue power wire, blue RCA, and the purple power wire, purple RCA, purple speaker wire, blue remote, and it comes with all the stuff you need for an easy installation. It can hold up to 1600 watts of an amp power. This is a 4-gauge setup. Let's open up the purple one, which I already opened up for myself, to show you guys exactly what's included in this kit. So I have here, let's move this out of the way. Let's put this over here. Here we go. So let's start off. We got a mini ANL fuse with its fuse holder inside. It's already tucked in there, 120 amp fuse right there. And then we got, check this out. We got 17 feet of 4-gauge purple right there with the wire loom already included, the black loom included for protection purposes. And then what else do we got? We got some zip ties, we got ring terminals, spade terminals, we got rubber grommets, everything you need for your kit. And then we got over here, let's bring it all out. We got 3 feet of 4-gauge ground right there. And then we got another 17 feet here of speaker wire. We got positive, negative, also in purple. We got some remote wire right here. Check that out, in blue. Then we got, tell me this is not awesome. We got the purple RCAs. Why I opened up the purple? Because you guys can know my favorite colors are pink, purple, green, all these crazy hyped up colors. But check out the quality of the RCA. You got the positive RCA, which in some cases is the red, and then you got the black with the whole purple with the snake covering the RCA, making it protectable, flammable, all, you know, keeping your wires safe. The same goes for the red, the same goes for the green, and the same goes for the blue. Remember, they can hold up to 1600 watts of power, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what's included in these kits. So you got a mini ANL fuse holder with its fuse. You got 17 feet of 4-gauge purple power wire. You got 3 feet of 4-gauge black for ground. 17 feet of RCAs in purple with its protector, with the snake protector. You got 17 feet of remote wire in the color blue. And you got 17 feet of 14-gauge speaker wire, purple and black right there. Plus all the accessories that are included. You got the spade connectors, you got the ring terminals, you got some zip ties, and a whole bunch of stuff you guys will need for the installation. So make sure you guys check out. These are the AKIT red, green, blue, and purple. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.